guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna grabar las cascadas. ¿Qué se llama aquí?
De San Antonio de la Cascada.
Las cascadas de San Antonio de la Cascada. And yeah, I'm here with my family. We're celebrating Father's Day. So happy late Father's Day. And I'm just gonna show you around and have some fun.
Aquí estamos festejando el Día del Padre en San Antonio de la Cascada con mis hermanos, ellos son mis hermanos. Aquí están, hoy les tocó estar de cocineros, están haciendo carne asada con salchichón, bien rico. Manden saludos porque esto va para el Face.
¡Feliz Día del Padre!
Felicidades a todos los papás. Aquí está mi
a
cuñado.
todos los papacitos. Felicidades a todos los papacitos.
Aquí asando carne. Ajá. Aquí están mis papás. Yeye.
El papá mayor.
Aquí está mi papá. Este es el mero festejado, el día de ahora, el Día del Padre. Aquí oyendo unas canciones para los papás.
Ya no hay nadie.
Se van perdiendo en el tiempo.
Mano, esa que está ahí.
Mis años
Graba esto.
se van quedando muy
Ya.
Graba esto.
Chica, dile estaban a las cascadas y mira y que salga el chorro.
Sí,
Ven, vamos.
ándale. Ye.
solamente sus consejos.
Esta es la sierra donde cae el chorro
A ver,
de aguas
como
naturales.
zoom in.
Está el ombligo de papá y de
Okay, so this is where, I don't know if you can hear me because of the water, but this is where my grandpa was born, as you can see, the person that you saw, and also my uncle, the oldest one, the one that you also saw that was cooking the meat. But yeah, you can see la cascada, you can see the water. If you come closer. ¿Cómo pueden mirar todo eso?
Sí,
Okay, as you can see, ¿puedes mirarlo medio arriba?
sí.
The water, mira, enséñame a mí. The water comes from all the way up there and it falls all the way down here. In a little, we're gonna try to go in a little path that takes you all the way up there. We're gonna try, me and my mom are gonna try to go up there and I'm gonna try to show you. And then I'll try to show you closer to there. And I'll also try to put some pictures. I can also try to put some pictures to show you more like in depth. But yeah. I wasn't gonna make this video, but my mom insisted, and so I was like, okay, I guess so. So now we're here. Come on. You can see closer, the waterfall's from there, but the main waterfall is all the way up there, and we can go through that little path. Enseña eso. Ahí, no por el pasillito que está ahí. Ajá. Espérame. Okay, through that little path, we can go all the way up there. We're going to try to do that later. But right now, I'm going to try to show you closer, but I can't get too close because the water is wet and my phone can't, you know. Anyways, now that I look like a crackhead, like I had said, this little like path leads all the way up. So we're going to try to go. But it has like a lot of trees and branches. It has a lot of trees and branches and like, como te enseña esto que está como caído. It has a lot of that. So I don't know if we're gonna make it all the way to the top, but we're gonna try. So let's go. Okay, I don't know if we're gonna make it all the way to the top like I said, but I once did make it to the top and it's like a little cave. But there's like a big beehive, so it's not like safe for you to go up there. Because one time I think my uncle, Yo Carlos, he went up there and he got stung by bees. Because there's like a big beehive. But I'll show you if we get there. Okay, so my mom stayed down there because she's scared. She said that there's beehives in the rocks. And I climbed a little bit up, but you still have a long way to go. So I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Because she doesn't want to go, she doesn't want to let me go by myself. But at least we tried. I guess I'll try to show you, like, I can't even see it till here, but I'm gonna show you. Okay, so this is where I am, and that's where my mom is. I don't know if you can see her, but she's like through there. But yeah, so you can hear the waterfall is that way. So like the thing is like up there. Oh, you can't even see up there. But I don't think I can make it. But yeah, look, a bird. But yeah, you can see like the land, like we're on a little hill thing. Okay, so we didn't make it. I look like a real crackhead. And this is my mom.
Hi.
But yeah, I'm gonna try to show you up there and take you with me. But if I drop my phone, sucks to suck, I guess. But we didn't make it up there. Also, I didn't come prepared. I'm wearing chanclas, and like since I got in the water, it's like slippery. So, you know. But we're back in the water. I'll show you how the day goes. We're gonna like make carne. I don't even know if you can hear me, but yeah, I'll show you. Okay, so I'm like at the top, not at the very top, but at the top, and you can see the water. Yeah, it looks kind of cool.
Era de la casa. El mero momentito había un paso para brincar la seca para aquel lado, para el lado del arroyo. Ahí, justo, ya se movió bagre. En un solo tronco y con un solo...
Salud.
A ver que nos traemos la prima de rancho, la prima María, la Héctor. Vamos, prima, por arriba.
Hi, how are you? Happy Father.
Happy Father's Day.
Hi, happy Father's Day.
Tengo así, de repente se me hacían así duros. Y luego me quedaron bien adoloridas.
Okay, so we already left and we're in the car. We're all crowded in the car. I'm in the back with my mom. And yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Ay, bendito Salvador.
That's all, folks.
That's all, folks.